Hello everyone! Today we will review Bitunix crypto exchange platform that has many advantages than other exchange platforms, and there is mystery gift for new traders. So if you are ready, let's get into the review. Imagine logging into a crypto exchange that feels actually made for you. I mean clean layout, smart tools, zero clutter, and the second you sign up, you're already unlocking VIP benefits. Sounds good? Let me introduce you to Bitunix, the platform that's quietly becoming a favorite among real traders. Now, I've used dozens of exchanges over the years. Most of them promise the same stuff: speed, security, low fees. Bitunix? It actually delivers, with a surprising level of polish. And not just for pro-level futures traders. In fact, if you're new to the platform, you don't just get a boring welcome email. You unlock a VIP account right from the start, plus a surprise box that contains random rewards, trading perks, or fee discounts. It's like loot crates, but for crypto. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let me walk you through how Bitunix really works, and why it's becoming a go-to spot for both beginners and serious traders alike. Let's start with the copy trading system, because this is one of Bitunix's killer features. Instead of stressing over charts and guessing price moves, you can literally follow top-performing traders and let them do the work. Their results? Public, transparent, verified. You can browse detailed performance data, win rates, P&L, strategy type, and just hit copy to mirror their trades in real time. No bots, no shady signals. Just real trades, copied directly into your account. You can diversify too, copy multiple traders, set individual risk levels, and pause anytime. It's one of the cleanest copy trading dashboards I've seen. No fluff, no confusion, just results. Next up, futures trading, because let's face it, most exchanges either overcomplicate this or make it risky without tools. Bitunix supports up to 125x leverage on USDT margin perpetual contracts. But it's not about gambling, it's about control. You get isolated /cross margin settings, detailed P&L tracking, live risk data, and an interface that actually makes sense. Order execution is fast, slippage is low, and there's full charting by a trading view. Whether you're scalping ETH or holding a short on BTC, Bitunix handles it smoothly. They've also added risk controls and trigger orders that you can easily set, which makes high leverage trading feel safe, or at least safer than most places. Let's rewind a bit and look at the spot trading experience, which honestly is just as good. Zero lag, instant orders, a solid range of tokens, from majors like BTC and ETH to newer altcoins you probably haven't heard of yet. And the fees? Competitive, with additional discounts if you're holding their platform token or hit higher VIP tiers. One thing I liked, even the mobile app feels professional. No broken buttons, no weird lag, no missing features. You can swap, transfer, deposit, and withdraw with full transparency. If you're just starting out in crypto and want to keep it simple, the spot experience here is smooth and safe. Let's talk about making your crypto work for you passively. Bitunix offers a growing earn section where you can stake your coins or lock them into savings plans. These include flexible plans for liquidity and fixed terms for higher rewards. Returns vary, of course, but during promo periods you can get very competitive APYs on assets like USDT, BTC, ETH, and more. It's a great way to earn while you hold, especially if you're not trading every day. Plus, there are seasonal staking events, launch pools, and sometimes even NFT-related reward campaigns. It's passive income with minimal effort. And then there's the question every trader should be asking: is it safe? Bitunix scores high here. The platform uses cold wallet storage, multi-signature withdrawals, and 24/7 risk monitoring. It's also compliant with major regulatory guidelines and supports proof of reserves, so you know your assets are backed. There's 2FA anti-phishing codes and full transparency on your account activity. You can even whitelist wallet addresses to lock down withdrawals. Security is one thing, but support matters too. Bitunix has a responsive team, live chat, and multiple language options, which is surprisingly rare on newer platforms. Alright, So here's the bottom line. Bitunix isn't trying to reinvent the wheel, it's just making it run a lot smoother. You get serious futures tools, a clean spot experience, copy trading that actually works, and passive earning options. For newcomers, the VIP account and surprise box offer is a great start. And for advanced users, everything you need is already here. Whether you want to trade full-time or just earn a little while you HDL, Bitunix makes it easy, safe, and actually enjoyable. But hey, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and never invest more than you're willing to lose. If you liked this breakdown, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and of course, don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives. Catch you in the next one.